In this video, I'm going to show you how to change margins in Google Doc. Now, let's go ahead and try to change margins of the entire document. So to do that, you're going to head over to File, Page Setup, and then you can go ahead and start adjusting here. Say, for example, I want to do the same, or I want to do 2 on the left or 2 inches on the right. Now, take note that this applies to the entire document, but you can also do this in parts, and I'm going to show you that later as well. I'm going to head over and hit OK, and as you can see, now the margin is 2. And yep, that's basically how you do it. Now, if say for example, I want to add a margin only for this particular part, you can actually go ahead and just move this one right here, and just like that, you have now managed to add a margin to this part. Now, what if, say, for example, I want to do it in the same manner earlier? Now, it's going to take quite some time, but yeah, here's how to do it. We're going to insert, page break, and then we're going to choose continuous. So still the same thing here. I'm going to go ahead and add as well. All right, now don't worry about the space. We're going to remove that later on. Now I'm going to highlight it once again. We're going to head over to page setup and say, for example, I want to add a margin only on the left side. I'm going to hit OK. And yeah, this is what I was talking about. What essentially is going to happen is it's going to bring the following page to another one. So you are going to go ahead and delete that. And as you can see, it's going to bring you here. So yeah, that's the only bad thing about it. It's going to basically cause a little bit of issues in your document. And yep, that is how you're going to change margins in Google Docs.